Keynotes are in the Annotate tab, and they can be used for several types of text categories like elements, materials, and even a user keynote. The concept is that you have a text file that holds all of the text and is linked with the Revit file so that it updates automatically as you update the text file. In the Annotate tab, select the tag title so that we can access Keynote settings. Here you're asked for the full path of which Keynote table to load. Once you load it, there's a link to those strings of text that you can use to tag your elements, material, and other objects in the drawing, and then create a legend of that information. Here under Keynote settings, when I pick Browse, you'll see that in the Imperial Library there are several Keynote files that you can use. And they're all based on the CSI divisions. I'm going to cancel out of this dialog box and this one. There's a file posted on Blackboard that we'll use to modify the notes and then link it with the file. Save that text file to your computer and then open it up. You'll see all of the different divisions in this TXT file. If you scroll down to 1200s, you'll find the number 1200 under Furniture. You can place the cursor at 1200 here and press Enter. Just below the 12500, type in 12500.A1 and then tab to type in your piece of furniture, like chair Corbu. Press Enter and type in 12500.A2, tab, and type in the next piece of furniture based on the furniture that you're choosing for your 5 pieces of furniture to bring into your drawing. Save the file as Keynotes and your name in the file. When you're done, you'll see that you have a title that's 12500 Furniture 1200 and then 5 new lines in this Keynote text file. Each one has 12500.A1 and then A2, A3, A4, and A5, and there's a tab between the A1 and the name of your furniture. You can save this file and then close out of it so that when you're in Revit, go to Tag and pick Keynoting Settings. Then pick the Browse button and browse through the folders to your new Keynote text file. Once you navigate to your new text file, you can double click on it. You'll get a dialog box that says that the file was not found in the library location. We're going to pick in front of Relative under Path Type so that it looks for the folder that's relative to where this Revit file is. And then go ahead and pick OK. It will load the keynotes to this file. Now we can pick Keynote and Element Keynote. Once you pick Element Keynote, you can go close to one of your pieces of furniture, left click, pull your mouse away, left click over, and left click, and then that file that's attached to your Revit file will appear. You'll select which piece of furniture that you'd like to use to tag your drawing and pick OK. The number appears in a box and represents that type of furniture. Continue working with the other pieces of furniture until you have each type tagged. Once you have all of them tagged, You can then go to the View tab and go to Legends and Keynote Legends. We can name this Furniture Legend and pick OK. Then add the fields that you'll need for this furniture plan. Pick OK, and it creates automatically your furniture legend. If you're planning on sending the file to someone who needs to edit the text, then send the text file with the Revit file. For this assignment, you will not need to send the text file because the information is still a part of the file. It just won't be able to be edited. So in the project browser, we have a furniture legend, and when we create sheets, we'll be able to drag and drop the furniture legend and the plan into place and see the legend and the keynotes. In the level 2 plan, I wanted to point out to you that if I select one of these keynote tags, you'll see in the properties that there are several different types of tags. We used the keynote number box small, but there are other tags like just the number or just the text itself. And these tags are families and may need to be loaded if they're not loaded already.